The last thing Matt mentioned was Ready Now. I know Sprint launched Ready Now in the fall of last year, but how is that going to change the landscape of what happens for the customer?
Sure, it's really important, and it's really helped us as we've looked at our retail satisfaction, which our retail satisfaction rates, partially because of Ready Now, there's a host of things that we've done to improve that satisfaction, but they're up now over 90%. And the reason Ready Now was put in place is because we were seeing lower satisfaction numbers specific to PDAs, and where we saw it in return rates. And I won't quote Sprint's return rates, but I will quote that industry return rates on PDAs are over 20%. It is a major problem for the industry as we've moved into essentially a mini computer that's a voice and data device. And so people are overwhelmed with the device. And a lot of the people that are on this webinar won't necessarily get that, because you're the people that are tech savvy, that love these things and are willing to spend the time to really learn all the capabilities. But most of the population, they need assistance to really help them learn how to use a device for all that it can do. And so what we put in place with Ready Now is, think about it like a personal trainer. You can come in, you buy the pre, you can either right then, or you can actually set up an appointment, and you can do it. We've got an online tool that allows you to set that appointment. You can come in, and if you want to learn a few things, if I just want to learn the basics, I want to learn to make sure I know how to use all the gestures on the pre. I want to make sure I understand what the one button does and how I use that. We'll teach you that. We'll also take you through a rigorous, detailed view that says, hey, I want to learn everything I can about layered contacts, about how to integrate my calendars. We'll take you through all of that, so when you walk out of the store, you feel like an expert. And the thing that we know it drives is great customer satisfaction. And I think the beauty for both Palm and Sprint, they've done a great job of making the OS and the UI really, really simple, but it's still a complex device. So when somebody walks out of the store, they're going to know the 10 great things that this product can do, and they're going to turn around and they're going to show their friend exactly what it can do. And when they do that, it's good for, again, both Palm and Sprint.
I just want to add anecdotally to that. You took me to a store, a retail store, Sprint store, and showed me the Ready Now program, and it was just really intuitive. So
yeah, great.
Yeah, I'm looking forward to it.
Good.